Hey guys, we're making sea moss fresh from the sea. Huh?
You're making sea moss gel.
Sea moss gel. Shout out to Sagessoulcare on Instagram. Give it a follow. My cousin Shannon, you know, she does the fresh sea moss. She makes it fresh. It's her business, and she's also a doula, and she helps with holistic, etc., etc., etc.
Holistic healing.
Yes, holistic healing. So yes, so get with her. Okay, so I got you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, and then hey.
Okay. Now I am semi-camera ready.
Yes, I got you.
Lord have mercy.
Oh, I didn't even think about it towards the end. Hold on. But yeah, that's how it looks. Can you see it?
Drain it.
Oh,
Take
yeah.
out the lines.
Take out the lime
The calendar.
and put it in the colander. Alrighty. Do we keep the limes?
No.
Okay. You see, we got VIP treatment. She's showing us how to make it from scratch. Who do you know do that? Nobody. Nobody. You were supposed to sing along and be like, nobody.
Nobody. Yes. Look at the moss, baby.
It really did soak that up. That's crazy.
I thought we had all the limes at the top.
Nobody.
You realize that's gonna make more than that little jar that you.
Yeah.
I told you we should have put some back.
Yeah.
And I forgot yet again to...
Even when it's in this form, you can put it in a Ziploc bag and just stick it in the freezer.
Oh, okay.
Do I have to dry it out first?
Huh?
Must we dry it out first?
No, man. Just freeze it same way.
Okay.
Okay. So that's good.
You gotta move the camera, little Jay.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
So now get your blender ready. Oh, look at the sea moss.
Can we-
So good.
Can we use a NutriBullet?
Yeah, you can use a NutriBullet.
Okay, because that's all we got.
Now wait, do we have to dry this out to freeze it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. And now the one that we didn't soak off yet, do we put that in the freezer or no?
Yes, ma'am. Put it in the freezer.
I have to put you on the stand. So I gotta hold it. So just take the stuff that we're not gonna use and just throw it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. And how long is the viability of it?
In the freezer?
Yeah.
I mean, I'd say like I wouldn't do longer than 6 months.
Oh dang. Oh, so basically when that jar starts getting real low, just hop in the next batch.
Yeah.
Got you.
That's what I do.
And that's what you forgot to get from your jar, the jar.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I forgot to get the jar.
Okay. Nobody.
Nobody.
So,
Nothing like you.
how much should we take out and put in the freezer? Oh, and we gotta mark this cleaned
Before we
sea
go into
moss.
the Ziploc bag, let's get the blender ready.
Okay.
Okay. Let's get the blender.
This is a special treatment, you know. You must tell the YouTube people themselves big money is spent for this.
Big money, big money. Say it again. Say it again.
Okay.
I said you must tell the YouTube people say big money is spent for this.
Yes.
Okay.
Special treatment, VIP.
That's right.
VIP. Straight.
Alright.
But yeah. So right now we're washing out the NutriBullet,
Draining the sea moss.
draining the sea moss. Have you ever been to the bottom of Bikini Bottom? This is what SpongeBob fed all his friends. It actually smells like so good.
Now that the lime has soaked in it.
Alright guys, y'all want to see something? Y'all think I'm nasty? I'm about to eat it. I'm about to eat it. it tastes better now
Than it did yesterday.
when it was dry, yeah. But, whew, that has no taste at all. That's how it must have tasted. I mean, that's how it must have felt. Like, you know, when people they didn't have their taste buds during COVID? That's probably how it tasted. Because this don't taste like nothing. Nobody.
Make sure you tell the people that you can eat it plain just like that.
Oh, yeah. You can eat it plain just like this. You can take it, chop it up, throw it on your salad, and say bon appetit.
Yes.
Yep. You can sprinkle it on your cereal.
All right. So now what we do?
Okay, so we got the NutriBullet ready.
Woo. Thank you, Jesus.
We have the NutriBullet ready, so we're gonna take some of the sea moss and put it in the bag.
What are we doing next?
Take a handful of the sea moss
Uh-huh.
and put it in the blender.
Okay.
I have to see because you have a NutriBullet. Okay. Go ahead. Add some more.
I'm the assistant, remember?
Oh, yeah.
If you have to cut the sea moss, that's fine. All right. Start off with that. Now get the water.
The water? Oh, the natural spring water?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So that's when we use it.
And we use natural spring water because natural spring water is naturally alkaline. And you want to make sure that that's what you use.
Okay, so she said we use natural spring water because it's naturally alkaline water. And that's what you want to use for your sea moss. Or you won't get the same benefits. Right?
Why is this turning instead of... Oh, okay.
See? See
We
what makes the
listen.
dream work.
Okay, now what do we do with the water?
Pour it in here.
How much?
I'll tell you when.
Okay. You can see?
Yeah.
All
right.
That's good?
You might have to add some more, but start blending.
Okay.
That's way. Yep.
Make sure it's on tight.
Nope. Not so tight. We can't open it.
That's what we got, Dad. Okay.
All right, let's see.
Some more sea moss?
Let me see. Okay, let me see.
Oh.
Get a spoon and lift it so I can see the consistency. Wow, look at that. All right, add some more sea moss.
That gelled up really quick.
I'll tell you how much. Bring it back to the camera. I'm so proud of y'all. Look at y'all making your own sea moss gel.
Yes, the new sea
So
moss
listen.
sleeves.
Now pull from
That's
there.
too much. Too much.
Yeah, yeah. How about that?
That's good. Perfect amount. Yep, perfect. Now blend it up, and you're gonna blend it for 2 minutes. Like literally, just look at the time and blend it up for 2 minutes, because you want it to blend
No.
out thoroughly. You don't want any lumps.
Good?
No. Yeah. Okay.
For 2 minutes. I'm looking at my watch with no watch.
Let me get my phone.
Okay. Nobody does it like you.
Does it like you?
Mm-mm.
Oh, yeah.
That's why y'all related.
Oh yeah.
Rolling. Rolling down the
All
road.
right, Tina.
Rolling on the river. We're rolling
Now that's an hour. Ooh. 2 minutes. You ready? Y'all crazy.
Yeah. Snack.
For who?
You. So this is good, like the consistency?
Let me see. Use a spoon. Yes. Perfect. Also, Auntie Shanice, you could use it as a natural lubricant.
Hey, yo.
Stop it.
Hey, yo.
Not in front of the baby. Not in front of
Hey,
the
yo.
baby.
Yo, you're about to be fired. What the hell?
Listen,
Sorry.
I have clients that used it because they had allergies to other stuff. So
But hey, yo, that is not what my ears wanted to hear.
Oh no, that fill up one jar.
Yep. It filled it up.
yup.
Like exactly. You knew what you was talking about too. That's crazy.
I mean, hello.
She does this. Hello.
So wait.
Now, Auntie Shanice, what you can do, you can make different flavored sea moss as well.
I've
Yeah.
seen that.
I wanna
think
do
on
one.
125th Street.
So if you have, like, let's say, for flu season or like in the winter time, I boil elderberry and I boil it down, and the juice from the elderberry, that's what I use to blend up the sea moss.
Oh, instead of water.
Right, now that's how you infuse sea moss and elderberry, and you virtually won't get sick because it's so good. Let me see the jar. Perfect.
So
Wow.
could we make like a watermelon one and a pineapple one?
So I wouldn't do pineapple. You can try pineapple, but I would use it with the pineapple skin, not the actual fruit. So I have made watermelon sea moss. The only thing is that you have to use it like really quick because there's a lot of water in the watermelon and it tends to mold up quickly.
I'm gonna try it.
Try it. It's warm.
This girl in her face.
It's healthy for you.
It tastes like lime.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. That was not bad. That wasn't hard.
Yes. Now you want to take a pic? Oh, you already. It's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
The jar of sea moss.
Oh, I can take a
With
picture of it too.
enough sea moss to make several more jars moving forward.
Yep, because, you know, VIP treatment.
Yes. Now I don't have to.
But y'all need to go and support and go into the IG
Yes.
of Sagessoulcare. SAGE. Is it an S after the Sage? Oh, so it's plural? SAGES. So it's two S's?
Yeah.
Okay. SAGESSOULCARE. Sagessoulcare. Correct?
And get this
By
good,
Shannon with her, my
healthy-
cousin.
Get this good, healthy sea moss that I put in my coffee, I put in my tea, I put in my smoothies. I take it to work and leave it at work so I can put a tablespoon of it in my coffee
Period.
and I put it in my smoothie.
And it helps with so much.
Oh yeah.
Literally, it helps if you're pregnant. Get you some sea moss. If you and your man's is doing the nasty, you know it.
Sea moss is a natural aphrodisiac. So
Ooh, she's giving you all the tips right here. So it might not taste great by itself on a spoon, but if you mix it in, you know, few things like she's saying, like tea and coffee, you won't even taste it. It
You
literally
don't
has no
taste it
taste.
at all. And trust me, because I'm not one that goes for things that don't taste right.
I'm gonna get some
Shannon,
applesauce.
thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Well, that was the. I'm gonna turn off the camera, but that was us chefing it up
With the Irish sea moss.
with the Irish sea moss with the creator. Well, she didn't create sea moss, Jesus did, but.
Tiene loco en la cabeza cuando me tocas. Siento que todo está bien, pero